Excited cutting, a call that is widely misunderstood and extremely overused. Cutting is a great call for locating, for getting a turkey excited and making him want to come in, but how you do it and when you do it are as important as, as anything. With me, I like to keep my series short, and all I'm doing, I'm trying to get a response. I may want to course him as he's working to me, or get his excitement level up enough where he wants to come see me. And what cutting is it's basically just fast clucks. A whole bunch of fast clucks put together in a sequence that portrays an excited emotion coming from a hen turkey. And like I said, they're just clucks. So first you learn to cluck. To add that, get a little more excitement in that and make cutting, you just put them together in a fast sequence. Turkeys have a way of doing it that has been explained as a tick-tock. There's always ones and twos and threes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you're just trying to do that in ones and twos, ones and twos. And when you put it together, it may sound like more than that. But if you listen close, you'll hear it. It's a distinctive tick-tock rhythm. That's what cutting is, just excited clucks. And it's just a way to maybe get a response out of a turkey that might not answer something else.